In this video, I'll be showing you how you can trade stocks and Forex on the Bybit platform. Now, in case you don't know, crypto is not the only thing you can trade on Bybit. You can now trade different financial markets on the Bybit platform. You can now trade stocks, Forex, CFDs, and so on the Bybit platform. And you can do this whether on the website or on the mobile app. So if you're the kind of person that you're interested in trading other financial markets aside from the crypto market, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. Now, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to go straight to the point. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, this is the homepage of the Bybit website. Now, I'll also be showing you guys how to do this on the mobile app because I know a lot of you will be doing it on the mobile app. So I'll be showing you for both the website and the mobile app. But to get to the page where you can trade these different financial markets on the website, once you come to the home page, you come here to the page that says trade. You can see where the cursor is pointing to where it says trade. Now, once you come to the bottom, you see where it says TradFi. It says trade Forex, commodities, and stock CFDs all in one place. So that's where you can now trade everything. So just click on it and then to take you to the Bybit TradFi page. As you can see on the screen right here, this is the Bybit TradFi page. This is where you can trade in different financial markets. And then if you come right here to where the cursor is, where you have this, you see the different financial markets you have. So this is TradFi, and then under it is where you have metals. So you can trade metals, you can trade gold, silver, and so on. You can trade stocks. So you can see where you have stocks, you can trade different stocks. You have Tesla stock, you have Intel, you have Nvidia, you have Microsoft, you have Google, you have Amazon, and so on. You even have Netflix. So you can see you have different stocks that you can trade right here. And then if you come here to where you have indices. So for indices, if you want to trade indices, you can also do that on the Bybit website. If you come here for Forex, so for those of you that want to trade the Forex market, you can also trade the Forex market right here. Any pair you are looking for, you have it on Bybit. And then if you come here to commodities, you can also trade different commodities on the Bybit page. So these are the different financial markets that you can trade, and I'll be showing you how to do it step by step. So please keep watching, and if you have not liked this video, please like this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe right now. Now, before I go ahead and show you how to trade these different financial markets, let me go ahead to the mobile app and show you how to get to this TradFi page, because some of you might not know how you can get to this TradFi page on the Bybit app. So as you can see on the screen right here, this is the Bybit homepage for the Bybit app. Now, to get to the TradFi page, it is simple. Just come to the bottom side of the screen and click on trade, just like I did on the website where we went to the trade page. And then at the top, you see where you have this TradFi. So once you click on TradFi right here, it will bring you to the TradFi page. So you can see it's the same thing as you have on the website. You have the metals, if you want to trade metals, you have stocks, you have indices, you have Forex, and you have commodities. So it is the same process. Everything is the same thing. So I'll go back to the Bybit website right now to continue the whole process. So whatever process I'm doing on the Bybit website, it is the same thing you will do whether you are doing it on the mobile app. I hope you understand. So now that you understand how to get to the TradFi page on the Bybit mobile app, now let's go ahead and show you how to take trades. Now, the first thing you want to do is to pick the financial market you want to trade. So let me come back here again. So you come back to this place and then you come to pick whether you want to trade metals, stocks, indices, Forex. So I'll be doing one example for stocks and I'll be doing one example for Forex right here. So those are the ones I'll be doing, but you can do it for metals, indices, and commodities. So let's, for example, I want to trade stocks. These are the different types of stocks that you have. Now, let's, for example, I want to trade maybe Tesla or maybe Microsoft or Google, whichever one you pick it. So for this video, let's say I want to trade, okay, let me just pick Google, for example. Then I'll just click on it right here. And then to show you this risk disclosure agreement, so just come here and click on this box and click on confirm. Now, after you've done that, to show you the Google right here. So this is the Google stock that you're trading. This is the price. So currently one Google stock is about $307. And then to show you today's high and today's low. Today's high and today's low means that this is the highest price that's gotten to in the last 24 hours. Today's low means that this is the lowest price that's gotten to in the last 24 hours or for today. I hope you understand. And then for change, this is how it has gone up or down to. It has gone up by 1%. And then you can see the contract size, the distance to market closing. That means the market is closing the next 10 hours. So you can see all of these details right here. So I'm showing you so that you can be able to know where you can find all these details in case you need them. And then right here on the screen is where you can now do your technical analysis, or you can be able to see how the chart is moving. Now, if you want to do your technical analysis, I always advise you use the trading view. So if you don't have a trading view account, use the link in the description of this video to create an account on trading view. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead to trade Google stock, then come right here to the right side of the screen. Now, once you come here, the first thing you want to make sure you do is to make sure that you deposit money into your Bybit TradFi account. It is very, very important. Now, to do that, it is simple. You see where you have this account details. So you see account details, just click on it. Now, once you get to this page, this is where it will show you your wallet for your TradFi account. So if you want to go ahead and put in money into it, you just click on transfer in. So once you click on transfer in, you pick where you want to transfer the money from right here. So let's say, for example, you have USDT in your funding wallet. You pick funding right here. That means you are transferring from your funding wallet to your TradFi account. But if it's that you have money in your, let's say, your unified trading account, just pick unified trading account right there. It means that you want to transfer from your unified trading account to your TradFi account. And then you come here and pick the coin you want to transfer, which is always USDT. You can't pick that one. It's always USDT you can use to trade. And then just come right here and enter the amount. So let's say, for example, I just want to enter or transfer $30. I'll just enter $30 and click on confirm. And just like that, you've transferred your money into the account. So $30 will be in your TradFi account. So you can see it right here on the screen. It takes less than 10 to 15 seconds. So once you have it right there, then let's go back. So I'll just click on the back button right there. So we already have $30 in the wallet. So you can see it right here on the screen. I have 31.58 here in my wallet. And then if you want to go ahead to buy Google stocks or trade Google stocks, just come here. The first thing you want to do is to enter the value you want to spend in USDT, or you just enter the lot size. You can just enter any of the two. So you enter the lot size you want to use, or just enter the value of USDT you want to invest. That's any one of the two is what you enter. So let's, for example, I want to trade with, let's say, $31. Just put it right there. $31, that means you are trading with 0.1 lot size. So if you are trading with $31, it means you are using 0.1 lot size right here. That's the meaning. So I hope you understand. And in case you don't know the meaning of lot size, it is just like how leverage works in crypto trading. So how the lot size works is that you pick the price of that stock. So the current price of Google stocks is about $307, and then you multiply it by the lot size. So if you multiply it by 0.1, that means that you are investing $31. So 307 multiplied by 0.1, that should give you about maybe $30.7 or $30.8 right there. I hope you understand. So once you enter it, it will show you that you are investing $31. I hope you understand. It's as simple as that. So once you've seen that and you want to go ahead to invest, just click on buy. But if you want to set take profit or stop loss, you can do that too. Just come here, see where it says this TP/SL. And then you click on set take profit/SL, and then you come here and set your take profit price and your stop loss price. So let's say, for example, your target is to make maybe let's say $5 profit, and let's say the loss you are looking to make is, let's say, $2 loss. So this is the loss you want to take, this is the profit you are looking to make. They can just go ahead to click on confirm, and once you click on confirm, you can see your take profit and stop loss have been set. So that means that my take profit price is $358 and my stop loss price is $288. And then just come here and click on buy. I can see submitted successfully, and then if you come here under positions, this is the trade you just took. So you can see that it is very simple to trade this financial market on the Bybit app or the Bybit website, whichever one you're using, it is the same process. Now let's say, for example, you want to close this trade. Now if you want to close it too, it is simple too. Just come here to where it says close by. You can see where it says close by here. Just click on close by, and if you click on close by, make sure that it is on 100%. It means that you want to sell everything. Or let's say, for example, you're adding some profit and you just want to take half of it. Just come here to where it says 50% and take half of it. But if you want to take everything, just click on 100% and then you click on confirm. You can see right here, it is telling me that expected loss is 0.01 USDX. So that means that if I close the trade now, this is the amount of loss I'll be taking. You can see it here. This is it right here. So if I click on confirm, it will close it. So you can see just like that, submitted successfully, the trade has been closed. So that's how you can trade stocks. Now what about Forex? Let me also show you for Forex. So for Forex too, just come here to this where the cursor is, and then you click on Forex. So for Forex, let's say, for example, you want to trade, let's say EUR USD now, EUR USD. You can also trade that. So this is it right here. Just click on it. And then once you click on it, it will show you the details. So you can see you have EUR USD now. And this is the price here is currently 1.17623. And then you can see all the details too right here. And let's say, for example, you want to go ahead to trade this. It is also the same process. You come here to where you have the value. You enter the amount you want to use to trade, or you enter the lot size. So let's say, for example, you want to enter the lot size. Just come here to where it says lot size. So let's say, for example, I want to use 0.01 lot size. So you can see this is the amount I have to use for the trade, which is about 1,176 USDT. So that means that that's the amount you use for this lot size right here. So take note of that. So if you have this amount in your wallet, just go ahead and click on buy, and you just go ahead and enter that trade. And you can also set your take profit and stop loss too. Look at it here. If I click on set TP/SL, so let's say, for example, my profit is to make, let's say, $100, and my stop loss is to make $50. You put it right there. So this is the take profit price, and this is the stop loss price. Just click on confirm, and then just come here and click on buy, and you enter the trade. It is as simple as that. And these are not just the only financial market you can trade. Like I said, you can also trade metals. If you come here, if you come here, you come under metals, you can see you have gold, you have XAU AUD, that's gold Australian dollar. You have gold versus the US dollar, so you have XAU USD, and so on right there. So if you want to trade silver too, you have silver too right here. If you want to trade indices, for those of you that trade indices, you can do that too on Bybit. So it's as simple as that. And like I said earlier, it is the same process on the website and on the mobile app. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you don't have an account on Bybit, use the link in the description below to create an account on Bybit. And as a new user, you have some bonuses that you can get. Let me show you. So what you just need to do is to sign up on Bybit. You can see right here, sign up and complete identity verification to receive USDT coupons. So use the link in the description below to create an account on Bybit, and then you get USDT coupons. And you can see right here, it says deposit $100 and trade $10 to earn airdrop. So that means that if you go ahead and deposit $100 and you trade with at least $10, you get airdrops. And then you can see right here, it says complete simple trading task and earn rewards up to this. And these are the different tasks that you can complete. So you can see the different tasks. These are the different tasks right here. And these are the different rewards that you can get right here on the screen. So go ahead and create an account with the link in the description below, deposit and start trading and get your rewards. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.